Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Right to determine the direction of Pesa Ghana my economy. I say you require a certain license. And so license ni any voter's ID card. Now, so ID card no, you can't get it in your room. Sebi, say one babontin and be register. So we appeals to him to encourage Ghanaians to apply themselves to this process, stand and be counted. Na danudra, they will have the opportunity to decide the direction as of my echo. It's not just enough to say, oh, meji kabina min kabe mamunudi. The bedrock of democracy is participation. And like I said, participation is a right to do, but this is not a right that you can enjoy without having to fulfill certain requirements. Until you would need to go and register. And yet the issues are Nienti IFE said there's a need for a new register too. Like I said, we went ahead to appeal to him to encourage Ghana Ford to be part of this process. And yes, I did to Ninim say electoral commission no Ghana Mrano Emanu Coin. Say onye nejuma. Now, if you want to be fair to the facts, you would realize that the electoral commission wants to do that which is best for this country. Because chairman, so more any esa fata time no sooner issues be bad. Sebi yanko bo mass action committee, yanko bo party bi electoral commission for na edi subo no bebo. Now these are people who are given some insurance by law. And by insurance, we patch the independence are so here to do their work. No, Mrapono na this independence no amomo. That is not to suggest that the electoral commission should not consult stakeholders. But when the consultation is beginning to take a certain direction, which is counterproductive, I think that the only thing I is to work in the interest of the republic. And I strongly share the view say Nyomu is in the interest of Yenina. Nti yesadi to mampenyin nim say kasanche Ghana for say ye be yesa dinchuro na yenyan wasumdwem. And we reminded him say he handed over a peaceful republic. Nti it would be a huge shame say edu 2020 because of some other interests, in my view, other than the national interest, say that democracy we've built over the period. No? And we recognize the voice Kwechiri or Kasa Ghana Futi, and to Onkai Ghana for where we have come from, and that the peace and the democracy we have built over the period, we dare not invest Sanumi. And Mampenyi, his response, I can say. He thanked us.
Oh, Damasi.
Oh, Daya. I'm kind of bro for them. He thanked us. And of course, Suka said, electoral commission, dear. Rapono, yejitum.
Constitution.
Exactly. More mutumino, say, or mobile side in Chirono. Na, they know what is best for the processes are here, Bayeno. Na, so who knew omunya adwinkra o mampanyin that suggestion is enunti na ewo structures in our democracy says so who knew omunya adwinkra you can go to the Supreme Court to seek interpretation and to vindicate certain claims wrong but who knew omunya adwin na unko court na sabi near o ye no any rule of law no buebura. He urged all Ghanaians, to those who disagree with the electoral commission, say, my electoral commission for you, because Mrano more mutimi to do that job. Now, if you have any disagreements, militancy, the Omu free. Now, that's why we have the Supreme Court. If you feel strongly about a certain issue, the best place to seek redress, any Supreme Court. And he encourage them, say, if they feel strongly about the new register, no, there is a forum for them to go and vindicate claims. And oka say yenyina yembua na electoral commission entimi nyina na Ghana emfa tumapa emfra nti da olmanase and we'll continue to rely on him for a lot more wisdom in the coming years. Yeah, bompa so man say he would live longer so that we can continue to sip from his system of wisdom. Chairman General. Nchendra, near Eddie Okopi, Nasoe, no. And there are plans to go to other former heads of state. We are hoping to make contact with the office of the former president, Mahama. Na we will also get in touch with the office of former President Rawlings. Na we are at the Akotu Minim. Na Nyamia Adumso on Monday we will be visiting the Peace Council to have similar conversations with them.
So you're pushing the agenda, say we should have a new voter register.
It is not about pushing the agenda. It is about pushing for the sustenance of our democracy, Chairman. Because if you are privy to the facts as we have and as we are, and you truly epegana you are, there's only one conclusion you will come to. And that is what is driving us, and that is what we are seeking to help. Because Chairman, it took the toil and sweat of people to make that happen. And because of partisan interest in tea, if we sacrifice that, I am not sure there would even be a country amanyoku any amanyosem beyejuma. In the days military rulership no. Chairman, there was nothing like a political party. Parties now were banned. Until if we don't preserve this democracy, and preserving and deepening our democracy is a collective responsibility. Until we are pushing for a new register in the interest of our democracy and in the interest of the Republic of Ghana, Chairman.
May I trust that the China know your dream? And any dream?
What's on also watching our dream?
Minim sir.
Watching our dream. But there back one. Me person me kai minua article ni say. First of all, my fight echiama Ghana for nyina.
Yeah, Joso.
O pese o preserve o maintain your democracy ene. Kebi mami kebi amamu no. So pese o manage. Min kai minua article say. Principles are edema democracy eche. Transparency.
Just any emu beda ho no mo.
Accountability. Probity. Any integrity. And only key ingredients are who need to protect a democracy. And you know, America say na dream and na all canon. But I believe say these are the key principles are ye needy. Ye do baby ye do. It's not out of the blue out of say bibi ni honomo. Bibi ntina ye do baby ye do. Say electoral commission you know from onset Emma Ghana for nyina hu say or the transparency obebie bibie mo bie hu ni oye na I think menji di say anka yedu baby a yedu enti it goes beyond that. Political parties are taking these positions simply because yisi ayenya ni sese no I decided say onye transparent e woni ni ye mu o hwe na nsan ni sisi ya. It's as a result of, say, political parties, the civil society groups, taking that part, you know. I know that Air Force easy to come out the way they are coming out. And I think me boy. And that has not been the practice. What you here? That has not been the practice. Until our urge I think in the group, you know, say, as part of their outreach programs, you know, I believe say these are the things that they need to preach. Because Omaemuno Obian can say I was a voters register. That is not the point. But Nyama Akuko Sono at some level of suspicion about. And those are the things I believe say we should all help. And as I was saying, as of mine, now, yeah, service a friend saying suspicion, no? Because all over the world, when it comes to elections, Amamaya elections akon kan no the issue of transparency in the way a easy eye na edwuma no eye key eye vital nti we enya asema e wo say eye twi mu mesro group ni say eye omo democratic right but omo sra mpanyimfo nyina no na omo hammer on the issue of transparency, accountability, probity, integrity of our elections to mpanyimfo we so senesi be ya easy as a body no ombe hu omo say omo serve oman no
okay
enya say omo serve ekuo a omo free mu a ye di saa to mi no ama omo enti kakra me pese be de so mi nwa no asem o kan no so no
yes sir Sama General.
Yes sir.
Peace FM 104.3 Wood to me Take